Creepy carrots. Not really. It's Miss Laurie. I just tried to spoof you. Well, we did read this book in class, Creepy Carrots, by Reynolds. He's the author. And Peter Brown, he drew the pictures. Can you draw any pictures? Maybe some carrots. Well, Jasper Rabbit had a passion for carrots. And the carrots that grew in Crackenhopper Field were the best. They were fat, they were crisp, and they were free. Free, what does that mean? Does that mean they cost money? He pulled some up in the morning on the way to school, and he yanks a few on his way to Little League practice, and he pulled some out on the way home at night. Jasper couldn't get enough of the carrots. Does he look crazy for carrots? Crazy? Until they started following him home. That could be a problem. He first noticed something strange after the big game against the East Village Hares. Jasper was about to help himself to a victory snack when he heard it. The soft, sinister tunk-tunk, tunk-tunk, tunk-tunk of the creepy carrots. Oh my goodness. Have you ever heard tunk-tunk, tunk-tunk? He turned, but nothing was there. Just my imagination, he thought, but he hopped a little faster. That night, as he was brushing his teeth, they were there. Where are they? Do you see them? And Jasper whipped around, but nothing. He laughed at himself, picked his toothbrush off the floor, and went to bed quickly. Because were those really carrots? The next morning, he approached Crackenhopper Field very slowly. He reached for 2 wild carrots. Nothing happened. He bit into one. Nothing happened. Whew! Creepy carrots. It was ridiculous. Ridiculous? That's a big word, isn't it? What does ridiculous start with? Ridiculous. But when he arrived at the house that night, Mom! Mom, Jasper screamed, creepy carrots in the shed! Is he concerned? His mom opened the door slowly. There weren't any carrots, not even the regular kind. There are no such thing as creepy carrots, Mom said, shaking her head. Do you see anything in the shed that could look like a creepy carrot? Sorry, my book slipped. Later that night, Jasper was laying in bed and he heard it. Breathing. Terrible carrot breathing. And there, on his wall, creepy carrots! He shouted, Dad! Dad! His dad thumped into his bedroom and threw on the nightlight. Don't know if it was a carrot. They searched under the bed. No creepy carrots. They looked through the closet. No creepy carrots. They opened the dresser drawers. No creepy carrots. Just a bad dream, son, his dad said, shaking his head. Now go to sleep. That wasn't going to happen. Do you ever hear anything at night that makes you kind of go, something's happening. I better stay awake. Well, by the end of the week, Jasper was seeing, look in the window. Look down there in the water well. Creepy carrots everywhere. Do you see any creepy carrots? Not sure if they're creepy carrots. Jasper knew his parents were wrong. Creepy carrots were real, and they were coming for him. But they couldn't get him if they couldn't get out. What does that mean when there's a light bulb above Jasper's head? What does that mean? Jasper hatched a plan. First thing on the Saturday, he grabbed supplies and he headed to Crackenhopper Field. Look at all those supplies in his cart. Ooh, and look here. He's doing something around there. Ooh, and he's sawing. Ooh, now he's digging a trench, adding water, and he's hammering something. What could he be building? As the sun finally set across Crackenhopper Field, Jasper Rabbit smiled. Ooh, on his way home, there was a tunk-a-tunk. There was no tunk-a-tunk. There were no carrot-shaped shadows. His plan had worked. No creepy carrots would ever get out of that carrot patch again. Do you think you can get out of that? And as the sun finally set, the carrots of Crackenhopper Field, can you see them? Cheered! Their creepy plan had worked. They were sure of it. Jasper Rabbit would never get into the carrot patch again. Ooh, do you think the creepy carrots were very sure that Jasper wouldn't come back? So, what color were the carrots? Now, Miss Lori likes to sew, and so I have some thread here. Is that the color of the carrot? That is, what color? Here's another color. Is that the color of the carrot? That color is, what about this color? Is that the color of the carrot? This color is, if you guess this color is orange. Good for you. Well, as for me, I don't think there's anything as creepy carrots. I don't. I like to eat them. See ya.